calling everyone craving cookies. But if you don't have a lot of time to bake and only have a few ingredients, these cookies for you, because you only need 2 ingredients. Ripe bananas and coconut. So these are really for coconut lovers, but you also can substitute rolled oats for the coconut if you don't care for coconut. But these make me super happy because now I won't waste these pathetic looking bananas. I'm only gonna need 2 for right now. So 2 ripe bananas. You can have ripe bananas, not ones that look like they're dying, but just make sure they're pretty ripe. Throw them into the bowl, and we're gonna mash these up. I'm actually gonna use this avocado masher. Mash them up. And then to your mashed bananas, you are going to add 2 cups of shredded coconut. Like I said, if you don't go coconut for coconut, you can do rolled oats. So 2 cups, 1 and 2. So now at this point, these are 2 ingredient cookies. But if you want to branch out, like I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna add about a scant 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. And I'm also going to switch it up and get a spoon to mix this together. Seriously, these are the quickest cookies ever. They're actually pretty healthy too. All right. Then, you know me, I'm going to line a baking pan with parchment because I don't want these to stick and I want easy cleanup. So I'm gonna get my parchment paper, put it on my baking sheet, and then I'm going to get a 2 tablespoon scoop over here. I'll show you a little trick I have. So they come out easy. I spray my spoon with a little cooking spray, nonstick spray, and the dough just plops right out. So just gently fill these. Put them on the cookie sheet. And then I go through with my hands, and you kind of want to mold these because there's no baking powder or baking soda, so they're not going to rise. So what you see is what you get. So you kind of want to make these look like cookies and make them a little uniform. It's looking like we're going to get about 9 cookies out of this. So 2 bananas, 2 cups of coconut, 9 cookies in less than like 20 minutes. You really can't complain. So I'm going to mold these into beautiful little cookies. My oven is set to 350 degrees and they're gonna bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I will come back to you and show you how deliciously golden and crispy they get. All right, so these 2 ingredient cookies are done. They smell so good. I love the coconut. So you can see they get all caramely on top and they held together perfect. I don't know if you can see this whole entire cookie tray, but for 2 ingredients, these bad boys are delicious. Gooey, caramely, they almost smell like. The flakes of coconut are all golden brown. This is my type of cookie. All right, let me see if they're as tasty as they look. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I don't know if you can see, look how melty it all is. Oh, these are really good. These would be good like as an ice cream sandwich. Let me know what you think. Calling all cooking, Mr. Hall, you can edit it, right? Yeah. Calling everyone craving cookies.